but we're gonna open it up together. Wow, wow. This is a 3-piece launch ramp. Wow, look at that. Look at that build quality. This is all 3D printed. Big air and backflips. Check out these rubber groms for traction so that you can sit, and I got polished concrete floor. Look at that. Dude's thought of, and this is pretty heavy, so I can't wait to test this out. Look at this. I was not expecting all of this. Looks like these guys would be perfect for the LMT. If you got stuff that's fast and it's little, looks like these ramps are built for it. Look at that. Look at this, some sort of connector piece. I'm gonna learn, I'm gonna figure this out. Yeah, these are stakes for in the grass and the ground when you're playing outside. Another connector. See the black groms for grip on the bottom? That's a genius idea. Okay, so we know what these are for. We set the ramps up. It's gotta be pretty self-explanatory. So this guy looks like he goes there. Okay, so these must slide in. Okay, that's what that is. So that's a backflip ramp. Okay. Dang. This is for this guy. I'm trying to figure out how to put them together. I've been messing around with these and I finally figured out a cool combo. It's like building blocks, so you can build, you know, arena pads out of these ramps if he were able to print off different aspects of it. They're heavy, so they're not gonna get pushed around by the LMT 18, which is what I'm gonna use this for. So check out this little box setup right here. Check this ramp setup I made. Little mix match color action. So this is gonna be the ramp setup for the backflip. This looks like just a launch ramp. Piece slides into these little inlets right here. It's a track system. I'm excited to see what CWP comes up with after this. So if you're new to RC Rolla, check out the channel. We're gonna start doing some reviews on a few things. And if you like the funny videos I've been making, or the reels, or the Instagram, and the, you know, she hates RCs, check it out, share with your friends. CWP makes ramps, Etsy, Instagram, and Facebook. You're gonna wanna check these out. Can't wait to show you guys some action shots. You can get 1 ramp for $49.99, 2 ramps for $79.99, 3 ramps for $110, 4 ramps for $145.99. The connectors are about 16 bucks. You can buy the extension box for $25.99, and there's some other options. Extra box with purchase is 20 bucks, and a connector and box set's 34 bucks. Red, black, green, blue, and neon orange, which is limited. Looks like that one's probably a cool one. So you can reach them at cwp3dprints@gmail.com.